What's up, everybody? This is Luke Heights, your video adventurer, and today I am at Armand Bayou Nature Center in Pasadena, Texas. I've never been here before, so I'm gonna take a walk and explore.
I'm Lada Parker, and I'm a volunteer at the Armand Bayou Nature Center. And in real life, I guess you would say I'm a teacher, and I work with elementary students. And I've always loved the natural parks, the settings. I like to hike, and I visit a lot of the national parks. So you can't always just get in your car and go to a national park. So I've rediscovered the Armand Bayou Nature Center, and it's a great place to get out and reconnect with nature. This is a very unique setting. It has a forest, it has a bayou, it has coastal plains, and so it's a great opportunity for people to get out and reconnect. Get off the couch, turn off the TV, and come on out. It's a little hot and humid today, but that's okay. And we might get a little wet on the trails, we might get a little muddy, but that all washes off. So we have 3 trails out here. We have the Martin, the Karankawa, and the Ladybird Trail. And they're all about a mile long or so. And, we'll explore some trees, and we might see some animals and some birds, and we'll just, every day, something new is out there. Well, at night, you might see the armadillo, the 9-banded armadillo. There's skunks out here, which we probably don't want to see. There are coyotes, raccoons, possums, all kinds of birds. It's a migratory route for birds. We have alligators out here, and different types of turtles, all kinds of birds, as I mentioned. Insects, of course, the wolf spider. We may run through a few of its webs on the trail. So lots of different flora, plants, vines, trees, a little bit of everything. Well, you need water on the trails. You want a good pair of shoes. I wouldn't recommend flip-flops or anything like that, but a good pair of tennis shoes, some hiking boots, insect repellent, maybe some sunscreen, a hat, those types of things. Well, we don't really recommend you picnicking out here because of the wildlife, but I have a energy bar in my backpack, something like that. But right next door is Bay Area Park, and they do have picnic tables, so you can visit the Nature Center and head over to the park for the picnic. Probably false turkey tail, and those are both paupers.